Ever noticed your phone knows when you're walking, even without you telling it? Like your fitness app suddenly starts counting steps, or maps switching to driving mode automatically. Inside your phone are tiny sensors, mainly the accelerometer and gyroscope. The accelerometer tracks movement, how fast and in what direction your phone is moving. The gyroscope tracks rotation, how your phone tilts and turns. Your phone doesn't just see movement, it recognizes patterns. Walking creates a slow, steady rhythm. Running is faster and more intense. Driving, that's smoother, with sudden stops and turns. Your phone compares these patterns to pre-trained data. It's been taught what walking versus driving looks like. For example, if you're moving at 5 kilometers per hour with regular bumps, probably walking. If you're going 60 kilometers per hour with smooth motion, you're in a car. Apps like fitness trackers, maps, and even some social media use this data. That's how your phone can count your steps, auto-pause your workout, or suggest you've arrived when you stop driving. No GPS needed, just motion. Kinda smart, but also a little creepy, right? Follow for more simple tech tips. Tech made easy, because not everyone is a tech nerd.